245 days. Now it's 252 days. 10 court-ordered extensions of protection from arrest. That's how long sacked IAS officer Puja Khedkar, accused of fraudulently clearing the UPSC exams, has remained untouched by the law. Not because she's been proven innocent, but because the courts keep extending her interim protection from arrest, as though due process now includes an endless grace period. I've been tracking this story since July last year, when the first cracks appeared in her meteoric rise in the IAS. It was our coverage that brought this case under the national spotlight. And yet even a blinding national spotlight isn't enough to stop the system that seems determined to protect the powerful, or at least give Puja Khedkar a very, very unusually long rope. Let's recap this absurdity. August 12th, 2024, her first shield protection from arrest. October 4th, that shield gets extended. January 14th, 2025, 155 days in and she's untraceable. January 15th, Supreme Court steps in, 186 days. February 14th, extended again, 217 days. March 18th, 9th extension, total 245 days. And today, April the 15th, the 10th extension, she remains protected for another week, 252 days. The question isn't whether Puja Khedkar deserves a fair trial. Of course she does. The question is, what does fairness look like when you're powerful or privileged? Because this sequence of endless protections isn't fairness, is it? It's insulation. How many ordinary citizens accused of fraud get 10 judicial shields and 9 months of uninterrupted liberty? How many are untraceable for weeks and still treated with institutional courtesy? This isn't just about one officer. It's about a justice system that seems to run on 2 tracks. One for the ordinary, one for the well-connected, and it now also appears one for the judiciary. And despite months of reporting, national attention, public scrutiny, the needle hasn't moved. Because sometimes the system doesn't fear the spotlight. It simply learns to ignore it or just wait for it to pass. And when that happens, when visibility doesn't lead to accountability, justice begins to feel like theatre. Polished, performed, and utterly hollow.